What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Amazon Pirate. My name is Chris. For those of you that are new here, I make videos that are 5 minutes or less about products that I find on Amazon that I think you guys will enjoy. So you're probably here because you just purchased a brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and you want to know how to protect it. Well, I scoured Amazon for hours and hours looking for the best one, and I think I found it. I hope you guys are excited. I know I am. Let's go check it out. Alright, so this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 hard case that I found on Amazon. It's made by Skyreed. I can't pronounce the name. Skyreed, something like that. When I purchased it, it was only about $23, $24, and now it's about $20 with Amazon Prime coming July 16th through 18th or 19th. I can't remember. But this is the outside. You're looking at measurements about 9.5 inches long, 5.5 inches wide, and 3 inches thick. So very, very small, very portable. The outside, they do say, is rainproof, not waterproof, but rainproof. And the material itself is supposed to be scratch proof. So that's a nice little touch they put on that. So let's go ahead, open it up, see how it looks on the inside. All right, so this is what it looks like open. As you can see, it's got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, sits in there perfectly, and there's no pressure on here, so it's not pushing down on the hard case at all, so it's not going to harm your camera at all. There's also these little finger notches. It allows for easier to grip it out, pull it out. And then here we have the battery extender as well as a tripod. I just keep mine connected, and again, slides right in perfectly. And then obviously the microphone with the dead cat on there fits good, and then the other extender for the handle goes right in, and then it has 6 elastic bands, and then I just keep one thing in there right now. I haven't bought too much stuff for this camera, and that's just going to be in what I use. I just put my wide angle lens in there. What's really nice about these elastic bands, they don't open at the bottom, so you're not going to have anything fall out. And then it does have a mesh pocket, and then in there I just put some other accessories and stuff. And it does have mesh right here, so it does breathe, so it's not going to get all humid and stuff in there while you're traveling around. But that's it. That's the inside. So this is what it looks like with the strap on. It does extend, so you can make it longer, shorter, however you want, customizable. Like I said, 5 minutes or less. I like to make these videos quick, short, and easy for you guys. Again, there will be a link in the description down below. Let me know if you guys are interested. If you've used something like this, if you find one that's better that you think I should review, let me know. I'll see you guys next time.